Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to practice adding two-digit numbers. For this first lesson, we're not going to carry them, but we're going to learn how to correctly do this procedure. It's really important that you understand all of our numbers are based on 10. We have the ones column where we can put up to 9 things. Once we hit 10 ones cubes, we have to move to the next column, which is the tens columns. We can go up to 9 in the tens column, but again, that magic number is 10. Once we get to 10 sticks, we would then have to move to the hundreds column. And then when we got 10 or 9 100s, that's fine, but as soon as we get to the 10th one, we kind of move over. So our number system is a base 10 system, which really means that whenever you get to 10, something special has to happen with those numbers. So for today, we're going to take a look at adding two-digit numbers. Right here we have 23 plus 41. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put those numbers on my tens chart, my place value chart, and I'm going to do the top number on the top and the bottom number on the bottom. Always, always, always start with the ones column. If you remember to do that even when you're setting this up, then you'll remember to do that when you're adding. So 23, I'm going to start with my 3 ones. I'm going to put them over here in the middle. 1, 2, 3, and then 20. 10, 20. So there's 23. Now I need 41. Start with my ones column. There's a 1. And now I need 10, 20, 30, 40. And our place value chart helps us get these in the right order, and it keeps things neat so we don't get confused when we're adding them. So I'm going to start in the ones column, and I'm going to add 3 plus 1. How much is 3 plus 1? You're right, 4. Okay? And now over here I go to my tens column. I have 4 here. Always start with the bigger number if you're doing grab and count it on. 4, 5, 6. 64. Now I'm going to check over here. 3 plus 1 is 4. Started in my ones column. 4 plus 2 is 6. All right, I've done one. So now we're going to do one together. So let me erase my stuff. And then I'm going to move my tens and ones back out of the way. As you see, I've kind of got them in 2 different spots just to help me remember that the ones go on this side and the tens go over here. All right, so now I'm going to write a new math problem. Let's try 35 plus 13. 35 plus 13. Take a minute and set these numbers up on your chart. When you're done, look back at mine and see if yours match mine. Remember to start in the ones column. Okay, I hope you've got them done. If not, just put me on pause and go ahead and finish doing it. Anytime you need to pause the video in order to give yourself more work time, that's fine. I'm going to pause for a little bit as we're filming just to give you some time, but sometimes we all need extra time. Okay, so now I've got them all set. I'm going to start in my ones column. I know I have 5 here, so I'm going to count on 3 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. I haven't hit that magic number 10, so I don't have to do anything special. Now I'm ready to go to my tens column. I see a bigger bunch here. This is greater than this one. So I have 3 and count on 1 more is 4. 48. Let's check it with the numbers. 5 plus 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm ready for my tens column. 3, 4. 48. Great job. We'll do one more, and then you'll be able to go and work on your assignments. Remember to clear your board fully every time you do this. Okay, our last one, we're going to make it bigger numbers, so let's see how we go. We're going to try 51 and 47. 51 and 47. Again, take this time to set up your own board while I set up mine. When you're done, check back and make sure yours matches mine. Always start in your ones column. Okay, I hope you have yours set up just like mine. We're going to again start in the ones column. I always like to start with the biggest pile and then move on because it makes adding a little bit easier. I know that I have 5 plus 2 is 7, so I have 7 here and one more is 8. Again, we haven't hit that magic number 10, so we can just write it down. Now I'm going to move over to my tens column. This pile is greater than this one, so I'll start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 here. 98. Let's check it over here. Start with my ones column. 7 plus 1 is 8. Tens column. 5 plus 4. Grab it and count on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 98. Great job. Hope you do have fun with today's assignments.